if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. So today I am time traveling. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling. I hurt my brother and I left the family tree. When I tell the story, they say that they left me. So I wander through a country with no name. Hard to know just who you are without somewhere to stay. I feel broken, weary of the wars I can't escape. Tired of hoping for the promised morning light to break. And then I heard you calling out my name, singing, do not be afraid. I will be your dwelling place.
I keep fighting for my peace and taking pills. You come asking me to lay my burdens down. Why do I feel safer with my worries and my doubts? Oh, I feel broken, weary of the wars I can't escape, tired of hoping for the promised morning light to break. And then I heard you calling out my name, saying, do not be afraid, I will be your dwelling place. Happy for a love that felt right, no space between, and no reason for goodbye. Took a while before the first fight. I'm a whole different man if you don't take my side. And you know exactly what you heard. Till I go and redefine the words. No, I won't break, holding on tight to my pride. You say it doesn't seem right that we both feel alone, but we're drifting away, and we wait for someone to move toward the pain. Closer now than ever before. The problem is now we can hurt even more. Couldn't quite believe what you did. Cut me deep, and I want you to feel. Don't know exactly what you said. Oh, but I'm pretending to forget. Still